are going to see how to generate viscous fluids with the RealFlow for Cinema 4D plugin. To do this, we create a rectangular emitter. The structure of the RealFlow scene will be generated automatically, and we adjust the position, scale, and rotation of the emitter from where we will start to emit. Once we have adjusted the position of the emitter, using the RealFlow menu, we create a gravity daemon so that the particles will fall. Since we want the fluid to collide with the geometry, we add the RealFlow collider tag to the geometry itself. Before simulating, we must be sure that the fluid is going to collide correctly with the geometry. To do this, we visualize the geometry of the object collision, selecting the parameter Show Collision Geometry in RealFlow, and we adjust it with the cell size parameter inside the parameters of the tag collider. It is important that the collision geometry is not visible during the simulation, since it will take up calculation time to display it and could slow down the simulation. We will set 2 keys to animate the emitter. And we adjust the animation curve so that the animation emitter is linear. Now the emitter animation is correct. As there are few particles, we are going to increase the resolution inside the fluid node. And also increase the value of the fluid's viscosity because we want to make this fluid viscous. We slightly increase the resolution of the fluid. The greater the resolution, the more detailed the simulation, but the simulation also takes longer. We are going to add a drag daemon to prevent the fluid falling so quickly. Thanks to the fact that the RealFlow for Cinema plugin can interact with the parameter nodes during the simulation, configuring the scene will be quite simple. Finally, we add a mesher to calculate the mesh of the fluid. Just as the parameters of the emitters and the scene are adjustable in sim time, with the mesh we will have the same option, making the setup of meshes effective and fast. This way, we will be able to adjust the mesh parameters to obtain the mesh we need without stopping the simulation. The meshes will behave like any other geometry inside Cinema. Working with RealFlow for Cinema, it is very simple to achieve different fluid setups in a very comfortable and visual way.